Alright guys, so welcome to this video where I teach you how to create an e-commerce website. Yes, an e-commerce website is a website whereby you sell your products such as audio, fitness, hair products, baby toys, jewelries, gift, book, stationaries, automobile, luggage, and all that. So this is an e-commerce website whereby people can go and purchase product from you. So I'm going to teach you how to set it up right now. As you can see, this is the main fashion. So you could create your upload your own product and create your own e-commerce website with this video. So this video is meant to teach you how to create an e-commerce website, um, and also manage the website. So as you can see, this is Visermart. So this is your categories. As you can see, you could create categories. You could create different categories, just like Jumia. Yes, just like Jumia. So you can create a website just as Jumia and Temu. Yes. So this is like the Jumia and Temu website. So I'm going to teach you how to create this in a short time. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to create this. So this is how the front end looks. If you click on a product, let's say you want to purchase this product, you click on this product. Now everything here can be customized. Everything can be customized. So let's assume you want to create this product. As you can see, you can view the product. You can read about the product. You can add the product to cart, or you can add it to wish list, as you see, just like you can do on Temu or Jumia. So you can read the description, and if you want to also add reviews, you can look from here, and if there's a video about the product, you can see from here, as you can see. So that is it. So as you can see on the top here, you can see your wish list. You could create your account here. You could choose your country language, and you could see the amount here. Right now I'm currently using the US dollar, so you can change it to your country currency, and you can accept payments with a lot of means. So let me show you, take you to the back end and show you. Now also you can also track orders, so you can track client orders. So assuming client actually reach out to you, uh, uh people purchase something for your shop and they want to check if the purchase has been sent. As you can see, you could put your order ID here, and it will tell you if it has confirmed, if it is processing, if it has been sent, and if it has been in the shipping location where you are going to pick it up. So your customer can do this from the comfort of their home, and you can create this and do this all by yourself without needing any external support. So now this is how the admin end look like. As you can see, this is how much this shop has made, $28,000. They have $30 pending payment, and payment charge, this is $288. So this is the payment charge by the payment gateway we are using. So as you can see, this is everything. Total registered people on this shop is 847. Total profile 825. Email verify, unverified. Nobody has actually unverified our email, as you can see. So this is how it looks. These are people email. Oh, I have to cover this. So this is all the customers on the site. So you can go through your customers, as you can see, from different countries. So you can do a lot on this website. So without further ado, let me show you how to create this. So let's start from the basis. So from the basis, I'm going to start with you purchasing a domain name. Now, this is a real business we are building, so you need to be able to get a professional domain name from a professional source. A lot of people actually get domain name from local source, but I wouldn't recommend that. There's a link in the description to access this hosting, as you can see. So this is one hosting I recommend, and my affiliate link is on the description at no extra cost to you. If you click on it, you are using it to support me at no extra cost to you. Now the link in the description will take you here. Now, the reason I trust these people to build my e-commerce website or e-commerce website for my client is because they actually have little to no server downtime problem. So sometimes you see that your website is down, but these guys actually have little to no of that problem, as you see. So this is the reason I trust these guys. So let's go. Let's get started. So let's call our shop name. What do we call our shop? Code Cody.com, and then click on search. So if this name is available, Namecheap is going to tell us. All right, now you see that the name is not available. It's still taken. So you can use other extensions. You could go to something like .net, .org. There are different extensions that are attached. I don't know if you guys know about domain extensions. So let me do something like my shop, my shopper. I see something like this. So as you can see, you can either use a .com, .net, .org, .ai, .gg. So there are a lot of extensions attached, so you can pick anyone. So once you're done, you click on add to cart. Now it's going to add to cart just like this, and it's going to tell you to purchase every other thing. This. No, you do not need any of this right now. So do not waste money. You know, I'm your web designer, so I'm going to guide you. So do not waste any money on this. So you just have to do is to come to hosting, click on shared hosting, because you want to do it on the cheapest plan possible. So you come here, click on get started on the seller plan. Now this is because you are just getting started. If you're a small business, but if you're a very big business, you gotta go for these or these. But since we're getting started, I'm going to click on this, and it's going to give us the total estimate of everything. As you can see, we have about 22.22.88 So it's going to add the price of the domain and then let us know. That should be about $34 here. That should be about $34. And an email is going to be sent to you of your invoice, which you're going to make payment for. Now, I don't know why this is slow. My internet connection is pretty bad. Pretty bad. I don't know. Very, very bad. But in total, as you can see right here, you have on my cart um $11.46. So adding to this, that should be about 38. All right, so it has worked. So you come here, add to cart, and you have about $34, 34 cents, which you're going to use. Now you're going to confirm order, which is going to require you to create an account. And once you create an account, you create an account from here. As you can see, you enter username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and email address. Now once you're done with that, you can then log in. Now I'm not going to use this for my e-commerce website right now because I already have a domain name. Now I already have a name I want to use. I'm not going to use the one we just added to cart because I already have a domain name. What I just did was just teach you how you can do that for your own self. I already have mine, so I'm going to log in my the same process I go through, the same process you go through. So I want to log into mine. Now for yours as well, you'll be given a C panel, which is going to look exactly the same. There's no difference. So once it's sent to your email, just log in and follow me. Do you understand? So just log in and follow me. So let's go. All right. So this is how your C panel looks. You're going to be given something like this that contain a lot of details. So this is how it looks. You're going to be given something like this. Now what you're going to do next is to just come here, search for file manager. So this one, file manager, you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you here exactly like this, what you can see. So this one, as if you could remember carefully, the hosting plan I told you to choose, it has some domain name attached, right? It has domain name attached. It has like 3 domains. That means you can add 3 domains. Okay, let me take you there back so you can remember carefully. So when we come to hosting, when we went to hosting, we click on shared hosting. There was a place that told you to actually take 3 domains, right? Let me show you. So it says you can add 3 websites to it. So this is mine. That's a subdomain. This is mine. I'm having this as one website. I'm having the public underscore HTML as another website. So for your own right now, you're going to enter your public underscore HTML just like what you see here. So I'm going to delete this. Now everything is going to be blank on your own, just like this, right? On your public underscore HTML. So what you want to do next is to click on upload, this upload button. After clicking your public underscore HTML, now remember the process. Come here, search for your file manager. It will bring you here. Now on this place, click on public underscore HTML. It will bring you to an empty page. If there's anything on this page, you click on select or and you delete it. Now once you're done, you click on upload. Now there's a link in the description of this video that you can use to get the file to build this website. So download the link and you upload the link here. Upload the file here. So I'm going to go to my own. I'm using this one. So I'm going to click upload. Now the link which we talked about earlier on is going to take you to this file. So all you have to do is to just copy the file. All right, as you can see, it's on 100 right now. So you go back here, you click on go back. So once you click on back, you click on it and then you click on extract. Now you extract it on your public underscore HTML. Now once this is done, you go inside the file. You look for the files, the one that's a read file. You click on it, you move, and then you're going to move it till you get to public underscore HTML. So on that public, this place for yours is going to read public. Let me remove this first. Yours is going to read public underscore HTML. This is what yours is going to read. I'm going to click on move file, right? So this is mine. So I'm going to click on move file. So go back. Sorry. So come back here. This is the file, right? Now within this file, I want to still move everything to the main folder right now. So yours now is going to be, you now move everything inside the file, right? So as you can see, you have all this. So now you're going to delete this. It's not needed. Then this one you uploaded, you delete it as well. It's not needed, right? Now this is what you have. Then this file you delete it as well. So once you're done deleting all this, you have just this file. So now you go to a new browser. So I'm going to open a new browser. Paste your domain name slash, and you put a slash install, and you click on enter. Slash install, you click on enter. Now it's going to bring it to this point. So this is the installation process. So you click on I agree next. So this shows like this. That means my own is passed. Now if your own is not passed, whatever option is showing here, just go to your C panel, search for it. Sometimes it's PHP, so you just search for PHP, select PHP version, and you select the PHP version that is needed. So mine just showed PHP, that is what all was passed. So what I'm going to do next, click on next. So now it's asking for database. So let's go create a database. So right here you search for database. So I always prefer to use the database wizard. So give it your name that you want to give it. So I'm going to call this V3, representing my brand. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to call this V3 again. And for that V3, I'm going to use this as the password. But please don't use all this as your password on your website, because this is easily hackable. So you click on create user. Now once that is done, I'm not going to save this. Come back, click on everything, then you click on next step or make changes. They are both the same thing, right? Now you have this done. So you come to your site, you click on database name, upload this. Database user, upload it. Database host is always local host, don't forget that. Database password, the password you use. Now for this, you do your whatever name you want to call your site, admin, and your email. Now this is everything I'm doing for this. I'm going to click on install now. Now it's going to install the website, and as you can see, your system has been installed successfully. Please delete the install folder from the server. So what that means is to go back here, look at the install folder. Sorry, look at the install folder. You delete it totally. Confirm delete. So now you do not have the install folder anymore. So you click on go and activate website. So voila, this is our website. So welcome to your website. So this is how basic it's always be for the first time. This is how basic it's always look. There's nothing unique about it. It's just basic and it's just like that, right? So it's always basic and there's nothing on it. So what you're going to do once you come here, your website, you add slash admin, and then this is where the work comes in. Now this part is the reason a lot of people do not like uh, websites, because this is very technical. So click on login. Now this is it. So you have to set up everything yourself. So let's get started now from the settings area. First of all, your storefront. So storefront, this is the front end, this is the pages, this is the menu, this is the logo and favicon, this is the payment gateway, SEO configuration, social login, language extension, privacy policy page, maintenance mode. Right, this is much. So let's go through them one after the other. Right. So front end content. So what does this mean by front end content? Your banner section, these are your category section. So what that means is, let me open this in a new tab. Now I don't have banner for all this. I didn't design anything. I just want to show you guys how this is done. So this is the banner section, right? So as you can see, this banner, it's asking you to replace the banner. So these are all the banner on the website, as you can see. Now this banner section, I think this is it, right? It's asking you to replace. As you can see, they are changing. It's asking you to replace everything. Look at them. This was the first one. This was the one here. So let's go. Stay active, stay strong. This is it here. As you can see, so it's asking you to either remove them or change them. So if you click on this edit, you can change it, or you could just click on remove totally if you are not interested in adding banner. So as you can see, it has been removed totally, and you can even add new one if you want more slider banner on this point. You get on this point. So that is that. So let's go back. All right, future brand session, future category session. Now the category is going to be here. So to add a category, you just name it category. Now we do not have any category right now, so let's add one. So um, do we have an icon? Do we have an image for our category? What's the name of your category? What's the slug? What's the meta title? What's the meta description? So it shows up on search engine. Add keywords to it. This is feature banner, and then you click on submit. Right. So you upload the image of the category here. So the category is going to show up on this point. Right. That is it. Do you understand, guys? So you add the category from here. So if you want to add a subcategory like subdomain, subdomain, main domain, subcategory, main category. So you come here, this add child category. So this is the add child category where you delete selected and then you add a child category from it. But then you should have trashed this one anyway, right? So that is that. Let's go back to our setup and I'll show you more that you can do. So this is your menu builder. Like there's a lot of things here, guys. There's a lot of things here that you have to go through one after the other. That is why an e-commerce website is not built in a day. You have to learn every basic. This is the about part, about us page, which you have to go through. This is the about us page. You have to build everything yourself, right? As you can see. Okay. So let's start from the website name now. So it will be making sense. So let me call this TTZ. Um TTZ. So NGN, I don't know, NGN is not on my laptop. NGN symbol. If this tutorial is very long, I'm sorry, guys. I wanted to do it so that you guys can actually follow the process and know how it is. So coming back here, change from USD. So I always prefer an orange or a blue. So show currency, text, and symbol. This is how do you want it. This is fine. How many items per page? 20. So submit. Now once you submit it, it's going to save. Come back to your shop, refresh the shop, go home. As you can see, it's changing to blue right now. So we're currently the blue guys, we're not the orange guys again, and we are not TTs. So next thing is to change your logo. I don't know if I have any default logo on my site. So go to storefront, logo and favicon. There should be a logo on my hand that I did for a client. Let me see. So I'm going to pause this and upload the logo. All right, this is the logo I was able to find. So submit. I know this logo doesn't match for you guys. It doesn't match, but I just want to show you how it is done. Now, it's not going to show instantly. That's one thing people do not understand. It's not going to show instantly because every browser always try to cache the the website you visit. They always try to do that, so it's not going to show instantly. So all you just have to do is to go to a new incognito device to check if your changes had actually worked. As you can see on this place, is not TTZ. As you can see, this is the logo. Right? You follow me? Yes, you're following me. All right. So that is it. So now you want to add a product. Okay, that is your next problem. You want to add a product. So you come to products, add product. Now before adding product, you should already added a category like and a brand, right? So you should add a category. So you add your regular price, your sale price, publish product, you click on it, name, slug. The slug is actually the what search engine you use to read your website. So whatever you call this, if it's carton of Indomie, put carton of Indomie here, right? So you feed in media content, that's a picture. You upload the picture here by clicking on this upload. You go for your description, call your description here. You go for SEO content, upload your title, upload your meta description, upload your keyword. Now, if you need extra description, you can also click on this plus sign and add extra description you want. Is it downloadable? If it's a downloadable product like a digital product, you say yes. After instant download, after they actually pay for it. So if it's not instant download after sales, so you click on it, right? So once they are done making the payment, you can actually send them the product or add the link to the product. So that is it. Right. So once that is done, your next problem now might be adding payment. How do you receive payment, right? How do you receive payment? So talking about payment, you come back to storefront setting, look for payment gateways. Now, this payment gateways is very important. So there are a lot of payment gateways here, as you see, a lot of payment gateways. So you look for the one that is suitable for you. Um, if you are in Nigeria, you can use Paystack and Flutterwave. Very, very recommended. So Paystack and Flutterwave is very, very recommended. So Flutterwave. Now, if you want to use crypto, you can use Coin Payments, Coinbase, Blockchain. Binance is not allowed in Nigeria. So you can use them, or there's one I'm looking for, Coinbase. Okay, have I talked about? Okay, yes, Coinbase is here. So you can use any of these payment gateway, and you are good. You are good. So I don't know if there's any other thing I've not touched. System configuration. Okay, you want to turn your user registration on. First SSL, I need it enabled. User registration should be enabled as you people can register on my side. Agree to policy, so you save your change, right? So next thing I want to do is shipping method. So shipping method, how do you want your shipping method to be? So the name of the shipping method, how much you're charging them, how many days, the description, then you submit. So it will be written on your shipping part of your website. So if someone come to track orders, it's going to see your description here before they can do whatever they want to do. So I think that should be okay for this. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have watched to this point. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. So guys, bye for now, and hit the subscribe button. There's a video that's going to pop up on your screen. Watch that video as well. So thanks.